The Mitsubishi mhi-d400e is a closed-loop servo controller used in the high-speed printing industry. This particular motor controller came out of a Mitsubishi Press. ERD has extensive experience with the repair of many Mitsubishi Press's individual electronic components. This unit had an output problem, which we solved, and after a full cleanup plus rebuild, we fully tested it on one of our motors. In the video, we attach the motor controller to our remote control box, which allows us to enable the controller and provide speed control. We run the motor control in both directions, and also check the zero speed to determine if there are any offset drifts.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.